This is the Norfolk cabin from Cabin Life. Norfolk cabin comes in 70mm thick timber. As you can see here, it's quite a thick, solid tongue and groove timber. Very solid walls. It's 20 square metres, or just about 20 square metres. 600mm eaves. Comes with these locks and doors. Door handle, sorry. Nice rubber seal on the inside. This is double glazed glass, we can see there. Silver trim at the bottom of the door. Now this one's under construction. The electricals are going in. We can see the electricity getting put in down from the ceiling. And you've got tongue and groove ceiling up there, and above that you've got insulation and then colorbond roofing. You've got nice thick solid beam going through this one. The Norfolk's got a really big thick 70mm double solid beam, and comes with the window in the end like this is standard. We've added another window over in the back over here, we can see, just to encapsulate the view from the northern side of this position. And now we've got these beautiful windows here. Now they're all double glazed. It's a 12mm double glaze, and they're a dual action handle. So you turn them up like that, opens the door, and you've got this nice runner system. We call these our 3+ windows. It's got a really nice runner system in there, and rubber seals on the insides here. It's a nice thick rubber seal. So when you close the door, pull the handle down, locks it and seals it, pull it up that way to open it, and then turn it right up, and it opens outwards like that, giving you nice ventilation and a little bit of airy feel, but with the security as well. So now we close that up. 3 big windows for plenty of light in this cabin. Then we've got this beautiful timber sliding door. Now in this model, that timber sliding door can go either on the left hand side of the wall or over on the right hand side of the wall. And it's got this beautiful little runner system up here too, which runs really nicely. Now on the end here, this space is designed to fit a toilet, shower and vanity, and has a window for light, that nice solid beam going right through, of course, and you can see the electricity coming through there. And now with the 70mm models, the thicker models, you can bring your electrical up through the inside of this door architrave and through the wall like it's been done here. So we've got our light switches coming through there like that. And the conduits, they come up through the floor. You can do exactly the same way. We've got our power points set up down here, and a hole comes up through the bottom of the timber here, and there's a hole marked. You mark a hole through there, comes through, and that's up through the floor. And that's how your electrical's done. Once again here we've got a switch coming through the wall. That's coming from this architrave up that way. And yeah, that's the Norfolk cabin from Cabin Life. Any questions, get on to us on www.cabinlife.com.au. Thanks for watching.